Hello everybody. Today we'll be taking a look at a new microphone I picked up for the cameras. It's the Takstar SGC-598. It's a pretty inexpensive microphone, but currently don't have a huge budget and I needed a microphone to put on the cameras or just to use in general, other than using the built-in microphone on the camera that I'm currently using. The main reason I wanted to get this microphone is because with the built-in microphone on the camera, every time the lens autofocuses, you can hear it, or at least I can. I don't know how well it comes through on the video. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what it's all about. Comes with a nice little carrying bag, kind of a velvety feeling to it. Oop. Got a paper with all its specifications. I don't know what these little clips are. Guess I'll have to read the manual and find out. And here's the microphone. It appears to have a built-in cable. Yeah, as you can tell here, the cable is attached permanently. And then of course that plugs into the camera. It's got a cold shoe mount that we'll take a look at here in a few. On the side, it's got a low frequency cutoff switch, plus 10 dB or 0 dB, and an on-off switch. If you open up the cover here, you see it'll take a single AA battery. Okay, now we're back. Let's go ahead and put a battery in it and get it mounted up to a camera. Apparently I left it on. Let's go ahead and turn it off for now. Alright, the battery's installed. Let's grab our camera. As you can see, cold shoe slides into, well, make sure it's loosened up all the way first. Slide it in, then you can tighten it down. As such. And then we gotta come over here, open up the side to get to the microphone port. Always have to open up this other one. It's got big fingers. Alright. Now we got access to it. And we'll take our cable, run it around, plug her into the microphone there. It'd probably help if I didn't have the strap on here. Let's go ahead and move that to the back side. Like that. And we can go ahead and turn her on. One thing you definitely want to remember is to set the audio input on your camera so that you don't have too much gain and you end up clipping your audio. So on this Canon here, you're going to go into your menu, go to camera settings number 4, come down here to sound recording, and make sure this is set to manual. And then below that is your recording level, and you could adjust that up or down. And basically you want your audio levels to not go any higher than 12. Once it gets past that, you're getting pretty close to clipping. If it hits 0 or above, it's definitely clipping. Going a little above 12 would be okay, but to be on the safe side, for those loud pops of noise or what have you, 12 probably be the maximum. We'll come back in just a minute and have it hooked up and do a couple different audio tests with the different settings of this microphone. This is an audio test with the high pass filter turned off and the 10 decibel boost turned off. This is an audio test with the high pass filter turned on and the 10 dB boost turned off. This is an audio test with the high pass filter turned off and the 10 dB boost turned on. This is an audio test with the high pass filter turned on and the 10 dB boost turned on. I'm going to conclude this video with the high pass filter turned off and the dB boost turned on. I'll leave a link in the description below. But a couple things I wanted to point out about this microphone. It's a condenser microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern. The frequency response is 50 Hz to 16 kHz. It's got a sensitivity of negative 32 dB plus or minus 3 dB. It's got a bass filter, 10 decibels per octave at 60 Hz. Output impedance, 2000 ohms, plus or minus 30%. High pass filter has a 200 Hz cutoff. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a big old thumbs down. And as always, see you in the next one.